Yeah, so I went ahead and passed the verification for this $20,000 account. I'll just go ahead and go over the trades that I took to pass it. Since it's only a 5% target, I was looking for a very, very quick scalp. This was Asia. Um, the previous day's price action, because this was Monday, and it was retracing, so it led me to believe that we were bullish for the week. So yeah, I saw that there's a liquidity run here, and then some demand was respected here after shocking. And yeah, initially I went ahead and took a long off of this flip because this is reacting off this demand or this supply. And then I realized that this is probably going to be equal lows, so I ended up taking a loss here, but I did go ahead and re-enter on this POI. And I did kind of write out to this supply, but I would have passed immediately if I had just taken profit over here. And yeah, so I took profit here, and then I took a few losses in between, and then I ended up passing with a similar trade on EU. Which was here. Yep, so I had seen that it was also respecting this flip zone. And yep, so there was another flip zone here. As you can see, this flip zone took out liquidity. And even the stop was large, and it was a very likely trade to pan out, and I just took profits in here. And yeah, that was verification complete, and again, these are the trades. And I just traded a couple lots, a couple .01 lots to finish out the trading days. Yeah, enjoy.